Hey, what's up hackers, and welcome back to the channel. This is the channel where you actually learn how to hack ethically, defend like pros, and also stay curious. Today's topic is very spicy, and it is how attackers bypass Windows Defender and how you can defend against it. Before we dive into the video, this is the disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only. Don't go running off to hack random systems. Stay legal, stay ethical. Build your skills in a lab environment because that's where the real pros train. So, what is Windows Defender anyway? It's Microsoft's built-in antivirus. It scans files, looks for known malware signatures, checks for suspicious behavior, and tries to keep your system safe. These are the features that are included. There is real-time protection. This actually scans files as they are accessed. There is also cloud-based protection. This one checks suspicious files against Microsoft's database. And the third one and the last one, it is actually behavior monitoring. This one flags suspicious activities like PowerShell abuse. Sounds solid, right? But here's the thing, attackers know how Defender works and they know how to trick it. Let's see how. Alright, now imagine you are an attacker and you want to get a reverse shell on a victim's Windows machine. You fire up your terminal and type in the following command. Now let's break it down step by step. The -p in the command actually stands for the payload. We can say the Metapreter reverse shell. And there is the lhost and lport. These are your machine's IP address and the port number. The -fexe, this stands for the output format, or you can say a Windows executable. And the redirection operator writes the payload to a file name, for example payload.exe. Easy, right? But here's the problem. Upload that file to a Windows machine and your Defender instantly blocks it. That's because the payload signature, it's like its fingerprint, is ready in the Defender's database. So what do attackers do next? Before we go any further, I just want to have a simple word. If you want to see these payloads put into action, go watch my previous video on the right top hand corner of your screen right now. And you will learn how to use these payloads in real life. In short, just how to completely hack any Windows machine. Sounds like a great deal, right? Now click it, go, like the video, subscribe the channel for more coming great content. Now back to the video, and here's where it gets more interesting. How attackers obfuscate the payload. Basically, they disguise it. One way is using encoders. For example, the command down below on the screen. The -e times 86/shikater_ga_nai. This applies an encoder. And the -i10 encodes it 10 times. Now the file's signature has been changed. It might slip past the Defender for a while actually. Another trick, packing or encrypting the payload using tools like UPX. This stands for Ultimate Packer for Executables. Other tools include Veil Framework, Shelter, or custom PowerShell scripts. Each method tries to hide the payload's true nature, but remember, Defender doesn't just look at signatures, it also watches for behavior. For example, if a file suddenly tries to open a reverse shell to a weird IP, that's a red flag. Alright Defenders, here's your battle plan. Defense strategy number 1, enable all Defender features. And I mean turn on cloud delivered protection, use automatic sample submission, enable temper protection, or activate controlled folder access. These settings make it harder for attackers to slip through. Defense strategy number 2, behavioral detection. Even if the signature changes, the behavior of the payload stays similar. Watch for the following things. Number 1, suspicious processes. Processes like PowerShell.exe running weird commands. Number 2, unexpected network connections. I mean reverse shells calling back to random IPs. The third one, abnormal file access. Payloads running from AppData, temp, or etc. Defense strategy number 3. Use Sysmon and EDR tools. Sysmon stands for System Monitor. It is a free tool from Microsoft that logs the following: process creation, network connections, and file creation. Combine this one with EDR, standing for Endpoint Detection and Response. Tools like CrowdStrike, Sentinel-1, Microsoft Defender for Endpoint. These tools give you visibility, the key to stopping attacks. Now let's wrap things up by seeing what we learned today. The first one, attackers bypass defender by the following: obfuscating payloads, changing signatures, and hiding in plain sight. Number 2, defenders fight back by using the following: enabling full defender features, monitoring for suspicious behavior, using tools like Sysmon and EDR, and also by staying one step ahead through constant learning. Alright ethical hackers, knowledge is power, but use it wisely. Learn these techniques to build your skills, not to break the rules. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more ethical hacking content, and drop a comment down below. What topic do you want to see next? Until then, stay safe, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.